I've just come out onto the nursery floor here because I'm looking, it's a gorgeous day first of all, and I wanted to have a look at the Hypericum, the Miracle Attraction. For all you regulars watching, you know how much I adore this plant. It's definitely in my top 20 list all time ever of plants that you should have in your garden. And the wonderful thing is that everything good about this plant is happening right now. Look at those flowers, look at those buds, look at the colours that you've got on here. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And the thing is, it looks like this for months on end. It starts in around sort of June time and it just keeps going through the summer and all the way into autumn as well. It's a great transitional plant, taking you through, I know we don't want to think about it, but when all the flowers are starting to fade in summer, this one is still looking absolutely fantastic. And of course, it's super easy as well. It's winter hardy and requires very little attention from you. I just think it's beautiful. I'm definitely going to, in my next garden, get one of these and plant it. I hope you are too.